Hi everyone, welcome back to Beam Clue Revit tutorial. So in this session we're going to a little bit more advanced. We're going to do some decorative lighting in our living room over here. The type of decorative lighting that I have selected is from the internet, some sort like a pendant light, like a type of hanging ID lighting for this. So how to model this in our Revit model? So first of all, we're going to our Revit here, and then we're going to start with new, then family. So this time, since we are modeling the lighting, we're going to select the lighting family template instead of generic model. Yeah, so we're going to lighting fixture. This is the one. Okay, then we start to open it. Okay, why I'm suggesting we start with this lighting over here. You can also start with a generic model, and then at the end of the day, you still need to import your generic model into your lighting fixture family. So the difference of lighting fixture family, you can see a yellow dot over here. This represents the light source. Okay, of course, the light source, when you click on it, then you can see the little symbol over here. When you click on the light source, then you can select the lighting distribution according to what you want. Okay, whether it's hemisphere. Okay, let's turn to 3D, have a look. So this is a small sphere. Click on here, then light source. Then you can select either you are modeling a linear lighting or a square rectangular type of lighting, and then is it a downlight? Okay, you can see the cone shape, and then a semisphere, round type, apply. Okay, like this. This is basically the emit from the shape of your lighting, and then this is the pattern of lighting distribution, whether it's a linear type. And then let's try to apply this hemisphere shining down, okay, or round light shining down, okay, spot shining down. Okay, zoom out, you can see actually this is angle of shining downwards. Okay, so let's try to adjust our lighting source over here. Then you can see it from the front view here. That's a tiny angle, like the 60 degrees tilt angle. Okay, so this is basically the coverage, and then this is the spot angle. Then we can go to the edit property family type here. Then you can adjust the tilt angle to 90 degrees if you want. Okay, apply. Okay, so 90 degrees is shining downwards. So this is the lighting reference plane. It is always maintain a certain height from the base reference plane. Okay, you can measure it by using dimension tool. This is 1.5. yeah, you can actually move this slightly lower, it's also okay, no harm. Depends on where you model your lighting fixture. Let's move it down 500 mm, so make it remaining height is 1 meter. Okay, then from here you can start to draw your lighting. So first of all, we can go to the reference level. We're going to model, create, extrusion. We have one circle first. Okay, so the first circle, make it like 200, 150. Okay, not too big. Then offset it 30 mm, make it like this. Okay, this is basically the ring of the lighting, and then the thickness will be 30. Okay, this is the thing. Then how about the LED, the shining outwards? It will be a different material. Okay, So we better make this to be a little bit thinner. So edit the extrusion, just let it to be 160, so 10 mm thickness. Okay, then another one, create extrusion, then from here 160, just offset it again, offset, make sure it's copy another 20 mm outwards. So this is the LED. Okay, if you want it to be slightly thinner, then you can edit extrusion, let it to be 170. Okay, so this is the one, 170. Okay, enter, done. So adjust the thickness 30 mm. Okay, done. So back to the 3D view. This is basically your first ring. This is the metal. This is your LED diffuser. Yeah. So from here, this is the first ring. Okay. Then you can move it up. Okay, let's make the copy. Use the copy function. Remove the constraint. Move it up to here. Just snap to this point. Then you can basically turn it like 30 degrees. So it's appear to be slanting like this. Okay. So the 3D views will be looks like this, slightly slanted. Okay. So instead of downwards, now I'm choosing the light source to be round like this. Okay. And this one should be better. Okay. Then the second one, you can basically scale this circle. Let's come back to reference level. Then you can adjust the view range to down, let's say 500, so I won't see the circle at the top part. Okay, then from here, so to the one who still don't know the concept of view range, you can simply click on this small button over here. Then you can see the view range top, cut plane, and the view depth over here. Okay, so basically now I'm adjusted to 500, so whatever higher than 500 will not be seen. Okay, then the shortcut for view range is VR. Okay, or you can simply go to the view here to adjust the view range. Okay, then back to here. Now you make a copy of it. Let's copy to here, 1 meter away. Then scale this. Now edit extrusion. Basically, I want to scale this. Select the extrusion. Before that, I need a center line. Yeah, LI is for the shortcut key for the detail line. So this will be the center line of it. Okay. Then from here, edit extrusion. Then select the extrusion. Click on the scale. Then now I want to scale it to 1.5 times bigger. Okay. Now you can snap on the middle line that I've drawn just now. Click on here, scale. Done. Then this, edit extrusion. Select the extrusion. Scale up 1.5 here. That's done. Then now from the front part, this one I need to move it up by using the copy function. Remove the constraint, move it up like this. Now I basically need to turn it like this. Now it's about 40 degrees, let's see. So move this close to here. Remove the constraint. If constraint cannot be removed, then you need to copy, remove constraint, back to here. Delete this one. Now basically you have two ring like this. Okay, then now front part, go back to the reference level, then this one again, then we need to edit the extrusion again, edit extrusion, then select this one, scale it up again to 1.5. okay, bigger. This one, edit extrusion, scale it up to 1.5. okay, that's nice. Then from the front part, now I need to copy this one, move up, remove the constraint, move it up like this. Now delete the rest that I don't need anymore. Now you can actually turn it around, like now it's like 35 degrees maybe. Then you can move it to the center, 1 meter. Yeah, now copy, select this, copy, remove the constraint, move it to 1 meter away. Okay, this is basically the copy. Now you can actually move it up slightly, like 200 mm away, or even more, 200 again, like this. If you think that the rotation is too huge, the angle, then you can actually turn it back like this, like this. Then this one can move it up slightly to make the balance of it. Okay, or slightly down, so it's intersecting. Some intersection then will make it nice. Yeah, so this one basically you need to move it downwards a bit. Then delete this one. Now go back to the 3D views. This is the ring lights. Yeah, so if you don't want to maintain the, so adjust back the view range, VR, set it to 2000 light. Okay, now this is the ring. Okay, 3D views like this. So nice. Then now if I want to turn a little bit, let's say the bigger ring over here, I want to turn it slightly a bit. Select this two. Let's say I want to turn it a bit, like 25 degrees or 30 degrees. Okay, then from 3D views you can see it's slightly turned a bit off center, instead of everything center at here. Okay, so now you can see oval here, slightly a different pattern. Okay, that's nice. Then now assign the material. So this one, the LED light diffuser. Oops, we less one. Yeah, so we might need to copy another one back to here. Just make a copy from here back to here. Make another copy to the original position. Okay, now you have two copy. Then edit extrusion, then just slightly offset it about just now is actually is 10 mm if not mistaken, so it's 180. This is 170. Okay, see what happened. Now you have two layers now. Okay, this is a lighting diffuser. oops, I think this one need to increase a bit. 170. Okay, done. Lighting diffuser, select the outer ring. So assign the material parameters. Let's see, this is LED diffuser. Okay, without assigning the material in the family environment over here, then you're selecting this. We're just doing the parameters assigned. Okay, then this one is golden ring. Okay, done, fine. Now the base, yeah, we come back to the reference level. Now we can model the base by creating an extrusion. Just a simple extrusion will do. Let's say the base will be 150. Okay, done. Then from the front part, raise this up, lighting base. Yeah, this can also make it as golden color. Yeah, let's assign it as gold color also. Okay, then the string. Then come back to reference level. Basically, where is my, this is the base. Okay, then create. You use blend to create the string. Okay, blend. Then we use the small circle like this. Just 2 mm will do. And then come back to the base here, edit top, then come back to the base here, 2 mm. Okay, element is too small, try again, zoom in, 2 mm, finish. Then you will see a string, a blend from this to here. Then from the left view, you can adjust the string going up to here, touching this ring here. Or from 3D view, it will look like this. This is the first string. Okay, then back to here, you can actually mirror this to the other side. See what happened. Okay, if it's not touching, then you can move it down, make it touching. Okay, reference level, you can simply just mirror this, pick axis, or draw that axis at the 45-degree position over here. Okay, then from the front view, simply just adjust the position of the string. So this is the function of the blend. Basically, it's controlling the position of one point to the other point to fix. Yeah. Back to here. Now let's try this ring over here. Try to create blend again. Then from here, now we can see this ring is somewhere. It's quite confusing. Somewhere, let's say over here. Let's make it a 2 mm. Okay, edit top again. Top will be somewhere here. 2 mm. Okay, zoom in. 2 mm. Okay, like this. Now from the left view, can adjust where's the blend. Okay, adjust this up to here first. Then adjust this, come to here. Okay, now 3D view, it looks touching, right? If touching, then it should be fine. Okay, then back to the reference. Now the rest the thing here, you just need to mirror this to the other side. Okay, then you can use the same method. Mirror one of it by 45 degrees to the other side also. But it's not touching the ring yet, so you have to be careful. Then from here, you need to edit the base. Around here, go to somewhere touching the ring. It's here, I think. Finish. From the front view, then you adjust this to here. So is it touching? If it's not, then you can simply just relocate it slightly up to here, move it up. Okay, like this. Then mirror this to the other side. Move it down. If it's not touching, then you move it to here, then touch it. Done. Then just 3D views like this. Okay, nice. Then here, the last one, reference level. Now this is the ring. This is the metal ring. Yeah. Then if you feel that this is quite disturbing, then you can actually adjust the view range of it. Yeah, but it's okay. We just proceed, create, blend, create this small circle. Now we can slightly move away from, instead of intersecting, we can actually move away a bit. And now let's catch the first ring, which is somewhere around here. Okay. At the top, somewhere around here. Okay. Then from the left view, we move this up, move this touching to the metal ring. Okay, looks nice. Then from 3D views, looks like this. Okay, then reference level, mirror this to the other side, so to make it like this. Okay, now instead of having 3-4 ring, you can actually have only one ring here. Okay, you can actually delete one of the ring over here. Okay, one of the string. Okay, but if you delete this string, then it will swing and clash this small ring. So the smallest ring, you can actually delete the bottom one. Okay, then here, this string here, and at the reference level, mirror 45 degrees to this direction. Then from the front view, adjust this up to here, then move this towards here. Okay, then 3D views look like this. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Now, here, this is the lighting. We can say that this is a photometric data, but it's in the default form. Yeah. If we investigate further inside here, actually, you can change the electrical characteristic over here, the load information. Then if you see this photometric information, you can actually change the color temperature of this lighting over here. Okay, now in the case, you can change to 4000 K. Okay, or if you don't know, don't familiar with this color temperature, you can always select this color preset. Then you can, from here you can select whether it's metal halide or fluorescent or warm white or cold white, yeah, or daylight, which is a white color of lighting. Then each of the selection will give you the impression of the color rendering ability of this color temperature, yeah. Then let's select this cold white. Note, yes, cold white. Then a little bit yellowish, but no, not too yellowish. Okay. Okay. Then the intensity, you can always set it to wattage. Let's say it's 10 watt, or let's say it's 5 watts. It's also okay. Then okay. Then apply. Okay. Then you can load it back to your project. Now is no need to categorize your family because it's already under lighting fixture, yeah. Load it back to your project. Save change. Okay, save change. Like this one's Pendant Light. Leaving. Save. Then okay, put it somewhere near the ground floor. Go back to the system, click on the model again, place over here. Then with the help of your cut section, cut the view, move it to the ceiling. Now the final step is coming to here is to assign the material. Okay, click on edit type, then you can assign the golden ring color. Okay, try to key in gold to see what material we have. Okay, gold chrome. Okay, let's try this. Looks not quite natural, but let's try. Okay, then this is the LED diffuser. Make sure it's like lighting material. Glass white high luminance. Glass white high luminance is also okay. Let's try this. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now before we go to rendering, you can always go to here to have a look. So what is inside like this? Okay. Okay, looks nice. Then you can try to render it by using the view. Then render. Use the medium or high. Okay. Printer or screen. Interior, artificial only. Yeah, let's use the artificial only. Then you try to render it. This process may take a few minutes, depends on the speed of your graphic card and your computer performance, yeah. Sometimes if you don't want to wait, you can always upload your image to the cloud of Autodesk platform, then it will help you to render it online. But you must first sign in your Autodesk account first, okay? Okay, that's finished. Now adjust exposure. Let's dimmer. Okay, darker. Oh, looks too bright. The color is too bright, yeah? The lighting. Okay. So adjust to lower again. So this basically is your material. But this look quite white in color. Of course, because the material, I think the material you have selected or the lighting flux. Then you can go back to here to edit type. Let's see what happened here. Come back to edit. Okay. everything looks fine, then you can always reduce it to, let's say, 2. Okay. The lighting symbol size. Okay, or custom to 4000. Okay, so look yellowish. Then okay, basically it's 100. Okay, this is quite low, yeah. So okay, you can try this distance of 2 meters maybe. Apply. Okay, then load it back to your project. Then for the material of the lighting diffuser, let's change this. Click on here to create your own lighting material. You can always try to create new material. Then from here you can see that this is LED strips. Let's say LED strip diffuser. Okay, copy this name over here, paste to the description, then graphic, use render appearance here, don't allow it to stay in generic. Okay, click on here, put it a unique name for it. Okay, then self illumination, click on here, then you can actually select the type of the color that you want. Let's say I want it to be daylight warm, daylight cold, or moonlight. Okay, let's try moonlight. Filter color, you can select a slightly yellowish, it's also okay. Dim glow, LED panel, lampshade, halogen lamp lens. Okay, let's try this LED panel. Apply. Okay, apply. Okay, now try to render again. Click on here, render, use the same setting, render. Okay, now we can see actually the result is far more darker than compared to the previous one. Yeah, then later on when the rendering is finished, then we're going to adjust the exposure. From here you can adjust the brightness, overall brightness of this environment here. Okay, brighter now. Okay, I think this is a good one. This is the pendant light. Okay, then of course you can see the shadow over here because you still need the ceiling light and cove light, and to make the environment is even well lit to bring out the lighting effect. So this is the result that we wanted. Okay, slightly adjust it to be higher. Okay, this brightness is good. Okay, warmer. Okay, that's nice. So let's save this image and project. Yeah, so I guess that's all the demonstration of modeling a lighting fixture, ID lighting, for this session. Then wish you, if you want to learn more, or wish you to join our class on beamclude.teachable.com, where you can learn from basic to advanced step by steps. Okay, thanks for joining.